Hey gang, it's Bortone. How you doing? I have 5 quick tips for you today for looking cool on camera, looking better on camera.
Blues Clues.
I wanted to share with you 5 do's and don'ts for appearing on camera. Now, I see a lot of what I call talking head videos like this, and a lot of times they don't look so great because people are making some common mistakes. Now, one of those is the framing. For whatever reason, when folks are doing their video, their framing is all off, or their composition, where they are in the picture, not good. This is called too much headroom. Way too much headroom. Hello? Hello? Now, by the same token, you can be really tight and not have enough headroom. You could be chopping off your hat or head. Plus, people don't really want to look up your nose. Sorry, I got news for you, but that's not a good look. So you want to center yourself in the shot. If you're using the photographer's rule of thirds, you might even want to be a little to the right or left. Now, this whole room here is another don't, because you don't want to have a busy, distracting background with your workout equipment back there and God knows what else is going on. So this is not an ideal background. You want a plain, neutral background. Another bad look, if you're on camera, is the too far away. This is just too far away. You've got a couple problems with that. First of all, people can't really see you because now you've become, a far away thing. And the other problem is if you get too far away from the microphone, which is way over there. Hello, hello. Also, as far as lighting, you want to light from the front, not so good. No bueno. So you want to make sure you've got adequate light. A lot of it's really common sense. So, quick review, 5 tips. You don't want too much headroom. You don't want to be too far away. You don't want a distracting background like this one. You want to make sure your lighting's good. And you want to make sure that you are using the rule of thirds. So you want your eyes to be on that top third of the screen. Rule of thirds, just like photography. That's it, guys. See you next time.